look, okay, let me get it together. I am very excited to be here in these vlogmas streets. What's up, you guys? So welcome to technically the second day, but we're gonna put the first and second day together. The first and second day of vlogmas. Yes, I am out here in these vlogmas streets. I know y'all like, why? But if you saw my poll, then you know that you guys asked for it. So I put up a poll asking if you all would be interested in seeing, or in me doing vlogmas, kind of seeing like more everyday behind the scenes life, because doing home improvements, I don't get much interaction with you guys. Home improvement videos are few and far between because they take sometimes a month or so to do, and I just feel like I don't get much engagement. So I really wanted to do vlogmas just to get more engaged with y'all, and then I let y'all decide if y'all wanted it, and y'all said yes, and we are here all up in these vlogmas streets with everybody else. So welcome to day 1 and 2. I think today we're going to kind of keep it simple. I'm just going to, I have some footage of me decorating the tree in the living room, so of course I'm going to show you guys that. But also some of my decorations that I put up I've had for a long time, and I just kind of feel like they don't go with the new living room that I did. So I think we're going to go to the store and get a couple of more pieces, some more I got a lot of stuff that's like little knickknacks, hand-me-downs, like really cute stuff. I really love it, but it just kind of doesn't fit what's in there now. So I want to kind of go for a more elevated look. So I want to go find some more elevated knickknacks or Christmas pieces. So we'll go to the store today. But yeah, I just came here to say welcome to vlogmas. I'm excited to be here. Thank you guys so much for having me. I really appreciate it. So yeah, I'm in the closet right now because I'm about to get dressed real quick. Oh, and you know what, I'll share with you guys. So I got me an early Christmas present. Today is the second. Christmas is coming. I got me a new baby. If y'all don't know, I don't know when it happened, but I love Coach. That's the behind the scenes. That's something that y'all don't really know about me when I be doing these videos or whatever, but I love Coach. And I got me a new baby, and I'm excited. So we'll open her up together in case you guys are interested, if any of you are interested in handbags. I got her unwrapped, and this is her. So cute. This is the Coach K. She's similar to the Coach trail bag, if you've seen that one, but it's a turn lock here and open up there. Nice like suede on the inside, and just the care instructions. And I actually like her. Like this. I would probably carry it like this most of the time, but she does come with a strap, a really nice adjustable strap, and it has the heavyweight chain on it. So yeah, it's crazy, like sometimes they don't qualify stuff as luxury because of maybe the price point or whatever, but I still consider Coach a luxury brand because of the quality. That's what matters to me, the quality of my bag. And Coach, like I said, they use the top 20% of leathers, just like the other companies do. Their stuff is stitched very well. It is structured very well. I love all of their bags. This one is a pebble leather, and I like that too because it's more durable. Like I have another one that's what is it called? I can't think of the leather on that one, but it's really soft and it scratches up really easily. But this one is more durable. So yeah, I like this one a lot. So I got this one, and then I have another one coming, and I will show y'all that because I'm sure I'll get it sometime during this vlogmas. So yeah. So anyway, let's get ready, get dressed, go to the store, and let's finish changing out those knickknacks in the living room and elevate our style a little bit more. All right, y'all, I'm finally ready to go. I had the smallest purse and then I realized, girl, you're supposed to be vlogging. So if I'm supposed to be vlogging, then I had to go back and grab a bigger bag so y'all can fit in there and we ain't gonna have no problems. So I made it back from the store. I went to Marshall's and Hobby Lobby and was pretty much able to find everything that I needed. I just wanted to show y'all what I meant when I said that I got a bunch of little knickknacks that I wanted to elevate. These are the things that I have. And I got way more than this. This is just some of the stuff that I started to pull out. And that's when I was like, yeah, I kind of want to elevate it a little bit. But all this little knick-knacky stuff. But some of that stuff I love, y'all. Like, I love this. We've had this for a while. And this little fireplace right here, a candle goes inside, a tea light candle, and then you light it and it lights. So anyway, since I did the living room, I just figured that this little knick-knacky style doesn't really go as well as it used to. So yeah, so I found things that I need, so I'm going to get started now putting those up. And while I do that, I guess I'll show you guys some clips of yesterday of me putting up the tree, so then you'll have day 1 and day 2. So we in there. All right, so we'll flip to that and then I'll flip back and give you guys a whole overview of the living room. I'm done. Okay, I was literally running, trying to hurry up and get done because y'all know it gets dark so fast and I'm trying to race against the sunlight because I want you guys to be able to see it while it's still light outside. So I'm just gonna flip you guys around real quick and take you through and show you what I did. Starting here in the living room area, the 2 cabinets right here, I decided to do a forest style theme. And what I did, I mixed a lot of different types of Christmas trees that I found. So this one is actually metal covered in like sparkles or sprinkles, almost kind of like sparkled glass it's covered in. This one is wood carved, and then got another set right there that is glitter. And then I found these cute little reindeer right here that are also wood. Found those at Marshall's. So yeah, I did that on both cabinets. And then right here in the middle, we do not have a mantle, but we do have a sound bar, and I decided to go ahead and use the sound bar as a decorative space. So I found this sign that says a Merry Christmas, put that up there, added a little bit of garland to the side, and then our stockings that we actually had forever. So it's funny that we actually had some that were the color that my living room is now. And just a tip, you guys, whenever you're decorating, you know, sometimes when you get these stockings, and I think these came from like the dollar store, when you get them and they're really flat, just stuff them with something. Stuff them with something. It'll give them some dimension and some shape. So yeah, I'm sorry, I'm out of breath, y'all. I'm not lying. I was running for real, trying to hurry up and finish. So yeah, that's the front. Real nice, real simple, really clean, not too busy, and that's what I wanted. And then here I just added a candle, another little reindeer, and then this is actually a flower that sits here year round, but I decided to put some holly berries in there. So yeah, this is a cute little scenery area, like a forest, like a little glitter forest, really cute. All right, so coming around over here, the sofa, I just added the pillow right there in the middle, which says Heaven and Nature Sing, which goes along with my little forest theme over there. And then I added this cute little throw blanket with these cute pom-poms on it. This thing is so soft and cozy. So yeah, and then of course the checker print pillows. On this table over here, just threw this little sleigh that I've had for years, candles and candle holders. Then over here, listen you guys, I had to find a place for my stuff. These guys have been with me for a while and all my little knickknacks, so I didn't want to completely exclude them, so I put them all in this tray and just gathered them here together, and this is where they're going to be this year. So y'all can see, I know, like my son said, Mom, yeah, that stuff look kind of kitty. I know, but I like it. It's been here a long time, and to be honest, they like it too, but since the style is different, had to do something different, but still found a way to represent us, because these guys are kind of like part of our family. They've been around for so long. So yeah. And then here she is. Here is the tree. Y'all, I like her. I like her now, but if I'm honest, when I first did it, I'm like, I don't like this tree. I'm about to rip everything off of this thing and start all over, but I like her now. So at first I was trying to go with a theme that was kind of green and blue green a little, kind of to match the picture there, but that didn't quite work out. It just wasn't meshing well. Maybe just the things that I had was not meshing well. So I ended up going mostly green and gold, and then I do have some ones that are like, this is really dark green, you can see that, and then some that are shiny, some that are brighter green. But yeah, so I didn't want too many different style ornaments. I really just wanted the ball ornaments, but I worked with her. I went and got some ribbon, added this ribbon here, added this going throughout the tree, and then these ribbons I just cut little pieces so I could kind of stuff them wherever I wanted to go, instead of having to worry about intertwining it throughout the whole thing. But yeah, anyway, so this is it. This is her, and I love her. It took a little while, but I like her now. I love her now. We got her together. All right, so that is an overview of the living room. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this first and second day of Vlogmas. And I guess I will see you guys tomorrow.